Today we are drawing poison ivy. We will need a Sharpie or another utensil to draw with. We're going to use purple, dark green, orange, like a foamy blue, maroon, light green, like lightish green, yellow, and peach. Get all your materials and then we'll get started. Let's get drawing. Okay, so first we are going to draw Poison Ivy's face. Okay, we are going to draw an upside down U, not too big, not too small. And then we're going to draw her eyes, like this. And I don't know, thumb space away from each other. Then we're going to draw two U's inside of the eye, and then we're going to color in the black. Okay, now we're going to connect the top of the head. So we're going to make an upside down U, and there. Okay, now we are going to make her smile or mad face, I don't know. So I'm gonna make her smiling. Okay, we did our smile. Now we're gonna draw her nose, which is just a little stump, and her eyelashes. And then her eyebrows. Okay. Now we are going to draw this little weird thing on top of her head before we draw her hair. Then we're going to draw her hair sticking out of it and still coming out. We're just going to stop early because it goes behind her back and we don't want to mess up her back. So now we are going to draw two straight lines that go like, I don't know, like this. And then we're going to draw an A right here, and then a thick line. Okay, so now we're going to connect here, her bottom of her pants, and then we're going to like an M shape. Okay, then we're going to draw like the leaves that are wrapped around her. So you can just draw like petals, like anything like that, like leaf related little things like that. Okay, now we're done with her shirt. Now we're going to do her pants, which is really easy. Because right now, to draw her pants, you just need like what we did on our shirt, plants. I'm going to draw another weird vine here. Maybe connecting right here. And then we're going to draw her heels. So we're going to draw a box and another box on her other foot. And then like going down, then straight, go straight and back up, and the same on the other foot. Straight and back up. Okay, now we can draw her arms. So right now we're going to just draw this. So you could draw her holding something, but you don't have to. So then we're going to draw spikes because like plants. This is going to be her gloves. Okay, now you can finish her hair. So make it go in like a little bit and then connect. Same on the other side. Come in a little bit and connect. Okay, now we're going to make this straighter and connect all these dotty lines. Because now it makes it look like squiggly, not as dotty. Okay. Wait, now on our little tiara, we're going to draw flowers. Okay, so we have flowers on her tiara, and wait, I forgot something. Her tiara goes like this. There. Wait, no, this is her hair tucking into the little tiara. Okay. Now we can draw like this, and then the hair, like the rest of the tiara going into her hair. Okay, so now we are going to color Poison Ivy. I'm going to fast forward this. You can always pause the video at the end, and you could either color it your way or you can color it my way. Okay, we are done with Poison Ivy. So you see, I actually added some like leaves in her hair because she does have leaves in her hair, and her heels are like this color, and they have weird lines on them. They're leaf designs. So we have Poison Ivy, and she looks happy right now. And you see, I added the maroon that I used for her hair onto her lips because it's like dark, and you can see that it goes over the Sharpie. You don't need to worry if you messed up, because the only thing that's really important is to have fun, and you can always redo it. So have a great rest of your day.